For me, I've got all of these amazing people. That's how I get to do what I do.
Every person who works at Well Aware is affected very individually by their mission, and that those passions coming together is what makes it such a successful organization.
My name is Sarah, and we are from Austin, Texas.
My name is Mike Mutko. I'm working with Well Aware.
After a few dinners and meeting with Sarah, and she just looked at me one day and she went, "Do you want to go to Africa with me?" And I said, "Yes."
It sounded really epic in our heads when we were thinking about it.
Almost took out some kids and Gavin, but luckily everyone was safe. Put a new propeller on it, and we were off to the races again.
Take these blindfolds off of my eyes.
Okay, it's looking good, guys.
Learning that we probably cannot work in a community and having to deliver that information is the hardest part of my job. Your health and safety is our #1 concern.
This is why what you give makes a huge difference. A joke. A joke.
It's just the most rewarding experience I've ever had in my life.
People, as soon as they saw you, they're all with a smile.
This life we lead, I see love.
I realize that we are all interconnected, and it takes all of us to make change and be a community and have prosperity.